Hello, and welcome to our demonstration of the ToolsCloud platform for software application development. The ToolsCloud solution offers a software development environment hosted in the cloud that is professional, reliable, and secure at a much lower cost than creating and maintaining the same environment internally. ToolsCloud leverages best-of-breed open-source applications that combined provide the most comprehensive solution for application lifecycle management in the cloud today. This demonstration will highlight the features of ToolsCloud, focusing on the applications that support Agile application lifecycle management and lean startup methodologies. You will also see how critical developmental components like continuous integration and continuous deployment are easily managed through the ToolsCloud platform. We start with the ToolsCloud home page, a secured environment with a full suite of applications that drive development from the concept phase through to a production release. Our first application, Redmine, represents the heart of the ToolsCloud platform and provides the core to all issue tracking and application integration. Redmine will allow users to pull up any project in the system to review progress, issues, and other pertinent information. Now we'll go ahead and select our demo project. Here we show a project overview and issues relevant to the project. You can see across the title bar a number of other tabs that track and test the application development lifecycle, like Roadmap, Gantt charts, and the calendar view of the project. So let's go ahead and start by looking at some of the issues being tracked for this project. Now we could of course add a new issue to the process, but we want to demonstrate ToolsCloud's integration by showing how Redmine tracks the issues throughout the project automatically. By clicking the Issues tab, the user gets a historical view of everything the developers encountered to solve problems and complete the development. Each issue can link back to every change in the source code to show the revisions made. This tracking occurs automatically when the developers add the revised code to the repository. In this example, I'm going to click on feature number 10. Now the feature comes up here on the screen and has additional detail about its intent. As I scroll down the page, I notice that there have been 3 revisions, 14, 15, and 16. I want to take a closer look at revision 16. I've now gone automatically to the repository and pulled the files relevant to this revision. When I select the Hangman application, I can pull up a side-by-side comparison to see the actual change. In this case, you'll notice on the right the 2 lines of code were added that have 2 asterisks, 16 and 17. So now all of the collaborative efforts can come in and see the same changes in one particular opportunity. Notice at the top the repository has been automatically pulled, whether it was Git or Subversion. It's automatically retrieved that source code. This integration is a key element of the ToolsCloud solution, simplifying the user experience and helping the developers become more productive. Now, having looked at the code, let's check on other activities occurring around this project. Here you have a summary of all activities by date, based on a specific list of activities you are tracking, highlighted on the right side. Again, the integration is apparent by allowing direct access to any specific feature or activity just by clicking it. Now, no quality collaboration tool is complete without a wiki resource to share thoughts and comments and other useful shareable information relevant to the project. Here, several documents are available for team review, easily selectable through the wiki system. Let's spend a moment and talk about Hudson Jenkins. Continuous integration is a key requirement for any agile or lean startup methodology. It provides continuous processes to improve the quality of software, reduce the time taken to deliver it, and allow a view of the immediate status of your project. You can even see when an important part of your development fails, as you see here in the red. ToolsCloud Automation will allow you to do continuous deployment as well, by establishing a project and tracking the status of the deployments as each occur. Inside Hudson Jenkins, we select our demo project. Now you see the build history on the left, and links to specific build results. We're going to click on Configure for another moment. By choosing Configure, you're able to automate the build and test process to help expedite the development and QA process. You set up jobs, they run automatically in a continuous fashion. Now if we back up to the dashboard, there's another application called Sonar. Now Sonar is a code quality analysis tool that provides source code detail and helps identify bugs, number of lines of code, and a view into the size and complexity of the project. On this dashboard, you can see some of the information that's being tracked, the lines of code, for example. You can also drill down and look at violations that may be occurring in the code, what percentage of the code would be commented to notice how well it's been documented, as another example. So really a full perspective. Now if we go back, we've looked kind of at the majority of the applications and some of the things that we can do. Let's go back to the home page for just a moment. From the home page now, the users can go direct to any of these applications as well. For a source code repository, you can use either Git or Subversion and go direct. For a repository of artifacts like libraries and other dependencies, ToolsCloud offers Nexus. For managing user information and access restriction, the ToolsCloud platform also provides an LDAP application to manage user information and access privileges and restrictions. Finally, to embrace the collaboration needs of the development team, ToolsCloud's platform provides an IRC chat environment that can enable both the conversation but also log the discussions that are relevant to the project for review later. So in summary, ToolsCloud's platform provides a full suite of development lifecycle management applications, integrated into a single environment and hosted in the cloud. ToolsCloud will allow both small and large companies to more effectively leverage agile and lean startup methodologies to ensure better quality code development and a more timely release process. Companies can get started quickly because the ToolsCloud platform is hosted in the cloud and there's no infrastructure to set up. Now you truly maximize the power of your developers by allowing them to focus on what they do best, develop software, not having to run an infrastructure. So I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. Thanks for watching.